What's up, guys? Another package has arrived. Check this out. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, if you can't tell already, I went out and spent some money and I got this. It's a lot more compact than the Audi setup, and this is more like versatile, have more adjustments, and it'll give me a lot more room in the Mini. Yeah, these are pretty cool. I got the clutch pedal and the brake pedal. And it looks like there's all different mounting points on the pedal, which is cool. So these take 3 master cylinders. I still need to buy those, but at least I have this. I can get this mounted in the car once I get to the firewall, once the seats are in. But this is kind of the next step after all that. But this just came in early. So I try to buy the things that I think I'm gonna be doing next in the build. And this is kind of another component that I need to have while I'm doing the floor and firewalls and whatnot, because it needs to incorporate in that section. But yeah, this is a nice piece of equipment here. Pumped to have this. So with all that power in this car I'm making, I'm gonna need something, God damn it. With the 4-pot calipers I got for this car, I need something that's gonna help push those calipers. So I went with these Willwood pedals. I'm not gonna be using a vacuum assisted master cylinder or a booster, but this is nice because it takes two cylinders, one right here and one over here. You plug them in one and one, and you can adjust this. There's a bias valve in here on a spherical bearing, and when you turn these, it actually offsets it. So when you push the brake pedal, you can have more pressure for the front brakes or for the back brakes. Typically you want a little bit less for the back, but you can adjust it right here. You can fine tune it. The percentage of force that goes into each master cylinder depends on the balance bar adjustment position, mainly the spherical bearing inside here. So with a couple twists, you can offset this, but you give more pressure to one side rather than the other. I won't go into full detail, but there is a whole video fully dedicated to this on there with the Willwood channel, and that's kind of how I found this and why I've chose it. It's so versatile, and it's gonna give me plenty of options for braking. I'm gonna take this apart real quick so you can kind of see. Maybe I can show the bearing inside. All right, let's pull this out. So it's basically on a spherical bearing, and I guess when you tighten it, it'll lean more to one way, if that makes sense. So when you push in the pedals, and it's this way, it's gonna get more pressure to that side rather than this side, or vice versa, however you adjust it. Getting it to fit the car though is gonna be quite a challenge, because there is a steering rack right in the way. But that's all right, because I know I can move that. I said that before. So yeah, these are pretty cool. It looks like they have all these different alignments you can use on the pedals to make them, like, you know, pretty close to each other like this. You could space them out in the middle, or put them all the way to the end if you'd like, if you have big feet. I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet, but they look it's cool that they do that. They give you a lot of options. That'll be good for if my steering rack is going in between. I can keep these spread apart. I'll just kind of put them in the middle for now. I don't think I'll be doing the BMX pedals in this car. I'll just kind of run with these. Or, I mean, I could make my own plate, something just to make it a little bit my own. It's just a piece of metal with holes in it and a little bit of dimples to get that grip. Yeah, I think this is a nice little bit of kit. It's gonna be nice not to go make one from scratch. This one I might have to modify a little bit to get it to fit. But still, it's just nice to use something that already is off the shelf and will work, as long as it's in the car and fits. Not saying what I did before in the other cars didn't work, but this is just gonna save me time. And it's nice, good quality. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Quick little update, just a little quick unboxing, something that's gonna be in the future. I will see you in the next one. it.